your angel investing. Tell me, how did you get into angel investing? And then how often do you invest? How much time does it take for you? And then how do you balance it against running your own company?
Yeah, so I am a very amateur angel investor. I got a little bit better after reading your book, which is, as you can see, it's in the background right here. I got into it. It's probably just serendipity. I think Steezy was actually one of the first deals that I did, and it was brought to me by Vince, who you know as well, who sits on the board of Steezy, Vince, Vince Thompson. And it was when they were just a team of 4, I think, and they were, I think, at 20,000 MRR, kind of very early, and now, as you know, they've skyrocketed.
Incredible.
And I was really, I think I just got done building my previous company, and I really loved their passion. I mean, I think Evan, CEO, was a developer at another company, and then Connor, the co-founder CMO, was working at a marketing agency, but they were both passionate, hip hop dancers, and they were like in a professional team that won awards and stuff like that. And like just hearing them talk about the business, like there's nothing else they would be doing with their life besides building Steezy. Like it's their life's mission. Even nobody funded them, that's what they would do. And I was really moved by that. And I was like, well, I don't have a lot of money to invest, but how can I, get involved? I mean, this energy is infectious. And I think that's how I got into angel investing. And I think that philosophy of just learning so I'm learning a lot from Evans and Connor, even though we're in different, kind of like spaces. But it's just that cross-pollination of ideas. And I tell them that, hey, I can't write a big check, but I can talk to you as a founder. I'm in the trenches with you.
Yes.
In a lot of cases, maybe only a few months ahead of you, if any. And, you can be really candid with me. I'm not in it for financial reasons necessarily. I really just want to learn. I want to, help out. And so I think I don't think it's been a distraction in the sense that I really do appreciate like cross-industry conversations, and it just it kind of broadens my horizon a little bit, kind of learning about like logistics, and in the world of B2B, in the world of, in the case of a recent startup that I invested in real estate and tech and all of that, which is actually related to Outer, what we're doing, right? Because we follow the real estate market. So I'm just really doing it. I think it's a superpower to fuel my own thinking about how to build my company better. Anyway, so that's probably like a long...
How do you keep it from becoming a distraction? The fact is you're writing small 10, 25K checks, I take it?
Yeah, so I don't necessarily...
There's not that much skin in the game?
There's no due diligence necessarily. I'm usually... obviously, I'm not leading, right? So like I'm following another investor.
Yeah.
And I really just meet the team. Like I get to see them, and then usually the decision is made within like a couple of days. And if they will take my check, that happens. So it's not, I don't actively seek out deals, right? It's just like if investors come to me, it's like, hey, Jake, what do you think about this? What do you, meet the founders? I do that. And if I can participate, I do it that way. So it's quite passive.
Do you ever wish that you got to invest in some of these amazing IPOs in 2019 and 2020? How about investing early? That's where the magic happens, of course. And well, with our crowd, accredited investors can invest directly and easily in startups early before they IPO and before they get bought. Our crowd investors have benefited from companies IPOing like Beyond Meat. What an incredible IPO that was. And some of the companies from our crowd have been acquired by buyers like Intel, Nike, Microsoft, and Oracle. Their in-depth due diligence includes meeting with the management teams of these companies and comprehensive vetting of deals they decide to invest in. Accredited investors can participate in single company deals for as little as $10,000 each time, or one of our crowd's funds for as little as $50,000. That's why you want to be part of a community like our crowd. Here's your call to action. Today, you can join our crowd's investment in NanoLock Security. This is a company offering IoT cyber protection, including billions of low-end devices that other technologies cannot protect. NanoLock is the only device-level protection that has both near zero power requirements and is operating system agnostic. So you can get in early on NanoLock and other unique opportunities at ourcrowd.com/twist. Once again, go ahead and open a free account at ourcrowd.com OurCrowd.com/twist. OurCrowd.com/twist.